There you are. Welcome back, YouTube family. Welcome back to the channel. This is ALFATIR CRAWFORD with Finance Up. I hope everyone is doing well and thank you for the continued support. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how we as landlords can partner with the VA to eliminate veteran homelessness. That's right. So if you are thinking about starting a shared housing business for veterans or currently operating a shared housing business for veterans, this video is for you. So again, this is ALFATIR CRAWFORD with Finance Up. It is estimated that over 32,000 veterans on any given night face homelessness. Now, this is not acceptable. As landlords, by partnering with the VA, I believe we can definitely do better with that 32,000 veterans facing homelessness. So again, this video, we're going to do a deep dive on how we as landlords can partner with the VA to bring that number down. So again, ALFATIR CRAWFORD with Finance Up. We appreciate your support, and please check out some of the collateral videos I have listed in the description box below on starting a veteran housing business, as well as an ebook on starting a veteran housing business. Those links are below. So again, you know how we do here. Let's share the screen and let's go. Okay, YouTube family, we are back. As mentioned, this video is about how landlords can partner with the VA. Now, the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs, the VA, estimates that over 32,000 veterans across the United States experience homelessness on any given night. But with the help of the Department of Housing and Urban Development, Veteran Affairs Supportive Housing, HUD-VASH, and the Supportive Services for Veteran Families, the SSVF, homeless veterans can receive housing vouchers that allow them to take the first step towards regaining independence through secure long-term housing. But locating housing that meets the unique needs of unhoused veterans can be challenging. That's where we come in, landlords. As a landlord, we have the power to change lives while benefiting from reliable income, strong tenant support, and meaningful community impact. So again, let's dive deeper into how you, landlords, can benefit by partnering with the VA. So why rent to veterans? Number one, reliable market rate income. Veterans supported by the HUD-VASH vouchers or SSVF subsidies have a portion of their rent paid directly by public housing agencies or nonprofit providers. These payments are guaranteed and timely, and when combined with the veterans portion, they match fair market value of rental prices. No financial loss for you. Number two, long-term supported tenants. Veterans in these programs receive case management from VA professionals who help them maintain housing stability. Case managers also support you, the landlord, by helping resolve any issues that may arise. Number three, serving those who have served. Rising rents and limited affordable housing options have left many veterans unhoused. By renting to a veteran, you provide safe, stable housing to someone who was willing to give their life for our country. They deserve a safe place to call home. Benefits of renting to veterans through VA programs. 1. Guaranteed payments through vouchers and subsidies. 2. VA support for both tenant and landlord. 3. Reduced vacancy rates with long-term tenants. 4. Opportunities to advertise your property as veteran-friendly. And 5. Shared housing options available for communal living arrangements. Ideal properties for veterans. Number one, 1 to 2 bedrooms. Number 2, private unit, not shared. Number 3, fully accessible building and appliances. And number 4, low traffic areas. How to get started. First, submit your available units via the VA's landlord contact form. 2. Ensure your property meets HUD's Inspire standards for inspection. And number 3, screen and select a veteran tenant, then finalize lease and payment agreements. Here is the landlord contract form. It can be located at va.gov. I will put that link in the description box below. Basically, you just put in your name, email, phone number, website if you have one, city, state, and then you will go down further below. You will choose how many units you have available, as well as how many units you have for rent as of the time you complete the application. And you can add information requested, or you have any additional questions, or you have any additional information you would like to share. Again, this form is called the landlord contact form. I will put that link in the description box below. This form is available on va.gov. Ideal property features. Number 1, 1 to 2 bedrooms, private units. Shared housing is less preferred. However, shared housing is acceptable. Number 2, fully accessible buildings and appliances. And number 3, located in a low traffic safe area. How to rent to veterans through HUD-VASH and SSBF. Number 1, get familiar with the program. The Housing and Urban Development Veterans Affairs Supportive Housing, which is the HUD-VASH, combines HUD's Housing Choice Voucher rental assistance with VA case management and supportive services. Similar supportive services for veteran families, which is the SSVF, offers award grants to community-based nonprofit organizations to offer rapid housing or rehousing to veterans facing homelessness. These organizations provide short-term interventions such as security deposits, rental subsidies, housing case management, and financial assistance to support the veteran in assuming full responsibility for the lease and rent. Number 2, confirm property standards. Properties must pass HUD's Inspire standards for inspection, including working smoke alarms, proper ventilation, connected utilities, functional appliances, secure windows and doors, and no hazards. Number 3, submit your application or your unit for approval. So you must fill out the VA landlord contact form to list available units. And number 4, screen and lease. Screen eligible veterans and finalize lease agreements. Initial lease terms are typically 12 months. There you have it, YouTube family. This has been a video on how we as landlords can partner with the VA to eliminate veteran homelessness, one unit at a time. I hope you found some value here. Again, this is ALFATIR CRAWFORD with Finance Up. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel. As always, thank you for the continued support. Until the next video, you guys take care, and I will talk to you soon. And goodbye for now.